Oh, look at that is completely under.
Yeah. From last time with that little bit of water.
Playground with a swimming pool.
Yeah.
That would actually be a hit.
Yeah, especially in this weather.
Yeah, it's like 39 degrees today, but look all the mosquitoes though.
Yeah.
I'm out of here. Want to try and get to Bazza the Bunyip, but I don't think we're going to be able to get over. No, unless you want to go swimming. I'm not swimming near a toilet.
I'm out looking like the Bazza the Bunyip.
Yeah, somehow we're not going to get across there.
Oh wow, definitely not.
Oh well, won't be seeing Bazza.
Look at that.
Yeah, well, that bin way down there, that was our marker.
Yeah.
Now that's fully under now. Poor Bazza, he's still a little bit dry, but this is his natural environment.
Can't believe that. And it's still coming up.
Yep. Oh, I expect all this grass, all this whole area here will be under in a week. Yeah, definitely. All right, well, after this plane disappears, I'll put the drone up.
If I could search the world, would I be happier than now? What if I get hurt? What if we don't work it out? It's not the way you look into my eyes. It's not the way you touch my hand and smile. I love you 'cause I want to. 'Cause I want to. Sometimes you make me mad, and then I make you sad with my words. You love my honesty. I hate your OCD, but we work it out. It's not the way you hold me in your arms. It's not your laugh or charismatic charm.
What is... Wait. Oh, we got to turn around. Since when they've done this up? I don't know where you park.
Over there.
Over there or over here? We'll park where the trees are. Do you want to... park here then. Alright, well, give it a go.
1 hour later.
I made this weary bay, grasp for a while. The storm is passing by. I start to stare. What am I doing? I should be standing strongly and firmly, grabbing my chair tight as I stumble. Raving circus, won't you crumble? This wild sea raging inside of me. I rest my feet and blame our stubborn knees. I know you're kind, let's see your eager mind. Don't march in your grin. Stay far from these fragile wings. Oh, I see the leaves moving in silent grief. Is this our turn to heal something that burns? While we destroy everything possible, dragging our